Dubai's history is a remarkable journey. From a small 18th century fishing and pearling village to a global metropolis known for record breaking architecture and international trade. Early history and origins 3000 BCE, 18th century. Ancient settlements. Archaeological evidence at sites like Saruq al Hadid and Jumeirah indicates human presence dating back to the Bronze Age, 3000 BCE. Trade routes. By the 5th to 7th centuries AD, Jumeirah served as a vital caravan station on trade routes between Oman and modern-day Iraq. First records. The earliest written mention of Dubai was recorded in 1095 by the geographer Abu Ubaid Abdullah al-Bakri. The Maktoum dynasty and Pearling era, 1833 to 1960s. Independence, 1833. Modern Dubai was founded when 800 members of the Bani Yas tribe, led by the Al Maktoum family, settled at Dubai Creek and declared independence from Abu Dhabi. British protection. In 1892, Dubai became a British protectorate under the Exclusive Agreement, ensuring security in exchange for British control over foreign relations. The pearl boom and bust. Until the 1930s, Dubai's economy relied heavily on pearl exports. The industry collapsed due to the Great Depression and the invention of cultured pearls in Japan, leading to severe economic hardship. Infrastructure growth. Under Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum, ruled 1958 to 1990, known as the father of Dubai, the city began major projects including dredging Dubai Creek 1961 to allow larger ships to enter the port. Oil discovery and modern development 1966 to present. Oil strike 1966. Oil was discovered in the offshore Fateh field. Exports began in 1969, providing the capital needed for rapid urbanization. Formation of the UAE 1971. Following the British withdrawal from the Persian Gulf, Dubai joined 5 other emirates, and later a 7th, to form the United Arab Emirates on December 2, 1971. Economic diversification. Recognizing limited oil reserves, the leadership diversified the economy into tourism, aviation, and finance. Key milestones include 1979. Opening of Jebel Ali Port and the Dubai World Trade Center, the city's first high-rise. 1985. Launch of Emirates Airline and the Jebel Ali Free Zone. 1999. Completion of the Burj Al Arab, the world's only 7-star hotel. 2010. Inauguration of the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest man-made structure. Recent years. Dubai hosted Expo 2020, held 2021 to 2022, and has transitioned toward a smart city model aiming for 100% sustainable energy by 2050. As of 2025, it remains one of the world's premier business and tourism hubs. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.